Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. If you're looking for expert tips on home maintenance, repairs, and how to keep your house in perfect shape, you're in the right place. We're here to help you protect your home and avoid costly repairs with easy-to-follow advice. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just starting out, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and make sure your home stays safe, sound, and worry-free. Are you worried about hidden home damage that could cost you thousands in repairs? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to spot home damage it turns into a major disaster. Whether you're a new homeowner or have lived in your house for years, these tips will help you keep your property in tip-top shape and save you a ton of money in the long run. Let's start with one of the biggest threats to your home: water damage. It's sneaky, it's silent, and before you know it, it can destroy your walls, floors, and even your foundation. The first place to check: your ceilings and walls. Look for any stains, discoloration, or bubbling paint. These are red flags that water might be seeping in from somewhere. If you find any, it could mean a leaky roof, plumbing issues, or even poor drainage outside. Next, head to your basement or crawl space. This is prime real estate for water problems. If you notice any musty smells, dampness, or worse, actual puddles, you might be dealing with a leak or even foundation issues. While you're down there, take a good look at any exposed pipes. Are they sweating, dripping, or rusty? It could be a sign of a leak just waiting to happen. Moving on from water damage, let's talk about mold. Mold loves damp areas like basements, bathrooms, and attics. If you see black, green, or even white fuzzy patches, that's mold. And it's not just bad for your home, it's bad for your health. Mold can weaken structures over time and cause respiratory problems. If it's a small area, you might be able to clean it up yourself with some bleach. But if it's widespread or keeps coming back, it's time to call a professional. Don't let mold take over your home. Now let's get into structural issues. Your home might look fine on the surface, but even small cracks can signal big problems. Check around your windows and doors. Do they open and close smoothly, or have they started to stick? This could be a sign of shifting in your home's foundation. Small cracks in your walls might not seem like a big deal, but if they're growing over time, or if you spot any diagonal cracks, it could indicate foundation settling or worse, structural damage. While you're outside, give your roof some attention. You don't need to climb up there, leave that to the professionals. But from the ground, you can check for missing or damaged shingles, sagging areas, or piles of granules in your gutters. These are all signs that your roof might be nearing the end of its life. Speaking of outside, don't forget to inspect your siding and exterior walls. Look for peeling paint, cracks, or signs of rot, especially around windows and doors. These areas are more exposed to the elements, and any damage here can lead to bigger problems inside your home. Keep an eye on your gutters too. Are they pulling away from the house or overflowing when it rains? They might need a good cleaning, or worse, they're not draining properly, which can lead to water pooling around your foundation. Let's talk pests for a moment. Termites, ants, and rodents love to make your home their home. Check for signs of pests, like small piles of sawdust near wooden structures, droppings in your attic or basement, or chewed up wiring. Pests can cause significant damage if left unchecked, especially termites, which can silently eat away at the structure of your home. If you see any signs, act fast and call a pest control professional. As you're walking around, take a close look at your floors. Are there any areas that feel uneven or sagging? This could mean there's structural damage underneath. Hardwood floors that start to warp, or tiles that are suddenly cracking, might be more than just wear and tear. They could signal serious issues like water damage or foundation problems. Now, let's shift gears and talk about preventative maintenance. The best way to avoid major repairs is to stay on top of small ones. Keep an eye on your plumbing. Regularly inspect under sinks, around toilets, and check your water heater for any leaks. Seal any cracks in your foundation, driveway, or sidewalks to keep water from seeping in. And don't forget about your HVAC system. Replace filters regularly and have it serviced once a year to keep everything running smoothly. When should you call in a professional? Well, if you're dealing with major leaks, structural damage, or signs of pests like termites, it's best to bring in an expert. These problems can escalate quickly and become very expensive to fix, if not addressed right away. A professional can give you peace of mind and make sure the problem is properly handled before it gets out of control. By regularly inspecting your home and taking care of small issues as they arise, you can prevent a lot of the common damage that homeowners face. It doesn't take much time, and it can save you a fortune in repairs down the road. Plus, it keeps your home safe and comfortable for you and your family. So don't wait until it's too late. Start your DIY inspection today, and remember, if something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and get it checked out. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Stay safe and keep your home in great shape.